Hello, good morning, students. I am R. N. Jha from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. Today, I am going to teach you physics of class 9. It is the second chapter, Force and Laws of Motion. Today, again, we are with a numerical problem. Dear students, here the question is given 5 Newton force acts on an object of mass m1 and produces an acceleration of 8 meter per second square. Same force acts on another object of mass m2 and produces an acceleration of 24 meter per second square. Find the acceleration produced by the same force if both the objects are tied together. Dear students, at first we have to clear the question. The force of magnitude 5 newtons that acts on an object of mass m1 means the mass of this first object is not given, but this force produces acceleration 8 meter per second square. Again, same force means 5 Newton force. It acts on another object whose mass m2. Mass m2, it is not given. That mass of this second object is unknown. We have to find out this mass. But this force produces acceleration 24 meter per second square. Now, finally, question says if these two objects tied together, then what will be the acceleration of that combination? It is the question. Now, its solution. Solution here it is given force applied on the object F. It is given 5 Newton from the question. Acceleration of first object that is produced by the force of 5 Newton. Suppose it is A1. A1 that is acceleration of first object. It is equal to 8 meter per second square. Acceleration of second object A2. A2 is acceleration of second object. It is equal to 24 meter per second square. Now, acceleration of the combination means when the two objects are tied together. In that condition, what will be the acceleration? That is acceleration of the combination. Suppose it is equal to A and we have to find out it. Dear students, mass of first object and mass of second object that is not given. So at first we have to find out mass of first object and second object by using F equal to ma, force equal to mass into acceleration. By that relation we have to find out the mass of both the objects. So at first force that is equal to m1 into a1 means mass of the first object into acceleration of the first object. Now substitute the respective values. F force that is given 5 newtons, it is equal to m1 that is unknown into a1, it is equal to 8 meter per second square. Therefore m1 it is equal to 5 newton divided by 8 meter per second square. It is equal to 5 by 8 and newton by meter per second square that is equal to kg. Therefore m1 it is equal to 5 by 8 kg. Means it is the mass of first object. Now, again we will use the same relation, F equal to m2 into a2. F equal to m2 into a2 means mass of the second object into acceleration of the second object. By that relation, we have m2 equal to F by a2 means mass of the second object, it is equal to force applied divided by acceleration of the second object. Force that is equal to 5 Newton, and a2 acceleration of the second object, it is equal to 24 meter per second square. That is equal to 5 by 24 kg. It is the mass of second object. Now, the total mass when the two objects are tied together, suppose the mass of that combination is m, and it is equal to m1 plus m2 because the two objects are tied together. Therefore, we have to add both the masses, m1 plus m2. m1 that is equal to 5 by 8 kg plus m2 5 by 24 kg. Now, after solving it, we get it is equal to 5 by 6 kg. That is the mass of the combination, means when the two objects are tied together, then the mass of the combination is 5 by 6 kg. Now we have to find acceleration of this combination. Again, use the relation F equal to m into a. Therefore, a is equal to F by m means the acceleration is equal to force divided by mass. Force that is equal to 5 Newton, it is divided by m, that is the combination of the mass of two objects, that is 5 by 6 kg, means the 5 Newton, it is divided by 5 by 6 kg, and after solving we get it is equal to 6 meter per second square. Means the acceleration of this combination when the two objects are tied together is 6 meter per second square. Dear students, now I think these questions are beneficial for you, so you must have to revise and practice them. Thank you very much.